Can you tell me about your make and model of your bike?
It's a 2009 Buell XB12ss.
Okay. Is this your first bike?
No, I actually had a Yamaha, I forget what it was, a little tiny 250.
Okay.
And then I went right to this. So it was fun.
Why Buell? What made you decide to get a Buell versus some other bike?
Well, I actually took the Harley learning class on a Buell, so I was comfortable with
that's
that.
a good point.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we've been Buell fans in the family for a long time, so
Okay.
it's the American-made and sport bike. So
Sport bike. Okay. So you say what year is this?
2009.
2009. Do you do the maintenance and things of that nature yourself?
My husband helps me with that.
He does. Okay.
Yeah.
Is he a bike rider too?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does he ride?
He has several bikes, but this is his Buell here, which is pretty much the same
Oh,
thing.
he has a.
except for-
That's him. That's his Buell too. Okay. So.
And we have a few others at home too. So we have the Blast and an M2, and then my brother's bike.
Yeah. Now I just noticed you guys all are a whole Buell family.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, we are.
Okay. So what is your riding style? Do you ride like the highway, the side roads, or what?
Anything. I like the curves.
You like the curves?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you a weekend rider or do you ride a lot to work or?
Not too often to work, just due to, safety gear, I guess.
Okay.
You know, helmet, hair, and safety gear. But other than that, yeah, I ride every chance we can get.
So you find the Buell very comfortable with this?
Oh, it's very comfortable,
Do you
yes.
take any passenger with you? Do you take your husband sometime in the back seat?
No, I do not.
Okay. No.
We took the rear foot pegs off pretty much. Right
Yeah,
in the
that's why I
garage,
see that
yeah.
it would be very difficult for somebody to sit in the back.
Yeah.
So this is just meant for you.
Yep, this is my baby.
That's it. Tell me about your experience with the bike. Has been reliability and things of that nature. How's it been?
Very reliable. No issues at all. I can't even think of one issue we've had. So we usually, if we're just doing anything, it's just upgrades or, maintaining things.
Like
but-
oil changes
Yeah,
and
yeah,
the
we have not
basic
had-
basic maintenance on.
Yeah.
So what is your plan? Are you going to keep this bike? Do you have
Yep, no one
a
else
plan?
will ride this bike.
Huh?
I said, no one else is ever riding this
No,
bike.
you're not selling it, but are you planning on getting a different bike in the future, or this you're happy with this?
You never know, but this will always be my go-to bike. But I do have I have a Harley Dyna.
Okay.
Okay. So, which is a cruiser, so sometimes when we need to...
So you swap between bikes,
A little
basically,
bit, yeah.
sometimes, right? But it seems like this is your outlaw's, favorite, right?
This is my favorite.
This is
Yeah.
your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you come here often to Bikes and Breakfast?
No, actually, this is only the second time.
Okay.
So,
Do you go to any of the? Where did you go before?
I haven't been. No,
Okay.
this is new for me.
This is
But
new?
I heard a lot about it, and
Yeah,
all,
there's
all
one
good things.
coming up in Clifton, Virginia.
Clifton.
Yeah, and that one has about 400 plus bikers.
Oh, okay.
That's the biggest Bikes and
So
Breakfast.
where is that? Is there a website for that?
If you already subscribe to my channel, on my community page, I'm going to write the address
Okay, very
and
good.
all the information about the next Bikes and Breakfast. You can
Very
check it
good.
out over there.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.